How to send snaps without media upload on Snapchat 2025. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Snapchat tips and updates. If you're wondering how to send snaps without uploading photos or videos from your gallery, here's the safe and official way to do it on Snapchat in 2025. First, open Snapchat and stay on the camera screen. By default, Snapchat opens the live camera. This is important because we won't use gallery uploads. Second, take a blank snap. You can cover the camera lens with your finger or point it at a plain surface and tap the capture button. Third, add text to the snap. Tap the T icon and type your message. You can resize, move, and style the text however you like. Fourth, use stickers, Bitmoji, or emojis. Tap the sticker icon and add Bitmoji, emojis, polls, or GIFs without uploading any media. Fifth, send the snap normally. Choose your friends and tap Send. Snapchat will treat it as a normal snap even though no media was uploaded. Pro tip: text-based snaps are great for quick replies and streaks, and they fully follow Snapchat's rules. No risk of account issues. That's it. Now you know how to send snaps on Snapchat without uploading photos or videos in 2025. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment "Snap Sent" below.